Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This time I want to talk to you about OneDrive, the personal cloud storage solution which is offered by Microsoft. Cloud storage is actually pretty much like a hard drive, a virtual hard drive which resides on the internet that you can save your files to, and you can access those files from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. The nice thing about Microsoft OneDrive is that on the one hand it is being offered for free up to 5 gigabytes of space. You can seamlessly connect your laptop to it, so it will just appear as another drive on your computer. And the third thing is that Microsoft is currently offering Office Suite tools for free when you're using them with OneDrive. For now I will show you how to install and use OneDrive. The first thing you need to do is just click on the Start button and then start typing OneDrive. The application should already be installed on your computer, so you just need to open it. Once this is opened, you need to enter your email address. I already have an account. If you don't have one, just create an account, otherwise sign in to your already existing account. Once you're successfully logged in, it will show you a folder on your current hard drive, a folder that is used to synchronize files from your local machine to the internet. Okay, let's click on Next. I will use this folder. It asks you whether you want to back up your current folder. It actually shows your desktop, your documents folder, or your picture folder. You only have 5 gigabytes for free. You can do more, but you have to pay for that. For now, I don't want to back up any folders, so I will just skip this. OneDrive is using icons to display the status of your files. The first one is the cloud icon. This means your file is on the internet and needs to be downloaded before it can be actually used. The green on white background check means that the file is already present on your computer, so you can already start using it. When you mark a file to always be kept on your device, this will get a green icon, and then the latest version of this file will always be present both offline and online. As mentioned earlier, Microsoft also offers Android and iOS apps that you can use to connect to your files on the OneDrive from anywhere in the world. This was the final step, so just open my OneDrive folder. OneDrive appears as another folder in Windows Explorer, so you can use it as you would with any other folder that you have on your computer. So let's say you want to copy some files to your cloud folder. All you need to do is go to your file, just click on it, copy, and then go to the OneDrive and just paste it over here. What happens now is, as you can see, this file is being currently synchronized. Once the green mark appears next to your file, it means this file is already available to be used anywhere in the world, either from your phone or any other computer which is linked to this OneDrive account. When you right-click any file on the drive, you will get a bunch of options which is coming from OneDrive. So first of all, you have Share. Once you click on it, you can get a link, or you can specify an email address of an user you want to share this file with. This guy then will be able to download your file or edit your file any way you want it. So make sure that you only share files with persons you trust and you know you want them to use your files. View online, what it actually does is that it's opening up your browser and gets you to the online version of OneDrive, so you can see the files you have on your storage. View version history is actually displaying all of the versions and the modifications you have performed onto this file. The option to always keep on this device is actually referring to the fact that this file should not be deleted when you're freeing up the space. Free up space is exactly the opposite. It means that any file which is not marked with always keep on this device will be deleted from this device and will only be available on the internet. The delete button, on the other hand, will delete the file both from local drive and from the OneDrive. Let me show you some other options that you have on OneDrive. First of all, you can locate the OneDrive icon here. If it's not here, you just maybe need to show hidden icons. So click on More and then go to Settings. Here you can see your account, which is currently linked to this OneDrive. You can unlink this PC. This will actually remove the link to the OneDrive account. You want to do this, for example, if you're using a computer which is not your own. Unlinking this PC will remove any data on the current computer downloaded from OneDrive. Choose folders actually lets you choose which folder should be visible on your OneDrive from this PC. So you either have the option of making all of the files available, or you can simply uncheck some of these files, and then when you click OK, they will disappear from your OneDrive account. Let's move over to settings. Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. This might be useful if you're planning on using OneDrive all the time. Of course, that if you're over a metered network or on your battery save mode, you might want to post the synchronization between the local computer and the OneDrive account. Let me use OneDrive to fetch any files on this PC. This is a very important setting. It's also nice, but it can also create a security flaw on your computer. So as you can see here, it's not talking about the files which are on OneDrive. It's talking about any of my files on this PC. This actually refers to any of the files you have stored on your local C drive and even on the network if you have those drives mapped. If I would check this option, I would actually be able to see my computer if it's powered on, and if this settings is checked, I will be able to see this computer and then go and browse through all of the files which are existing on this computer. This is very useful. For example, let's say you leave your computer on with this setting checked. So on your way to work, you open up your phone and then you just start playing some music which you have saved on your PC. This is very useful also because you can have 100 gigabytes of music library on your PC. You just leave it on, you check this option, and then it will be available to you on your phone. The next options are just some notifications related to your files. This next option here is simply for cleaning up the space. After you use those files, if you no longer need them, it will just delete them. Backup option we also saw when we first started OneDrive. It's offering you to back up your documents and picture folders directly to OneDrive. Another nice option you have here is whenever you're plugging in your camera or phone, it's offering you to automatically save your photos and videos to OneDrive. Same for screenshots that I capture. For the network, of course, you have some options to limit your download and upload speed to the OneDrive. For Office file, I will explain this in a later video on how to use Office and collaboration tools for Office Suite from Microsoft. And that's pretty much it for all of the options you have on OneDrive. The last option I want to show you is a personal vault. This is a secure space that only you will be able to use. If you double click on it, it will open up your personal vault, a place to store your most important files. This is some sort of a secret folder that you can't share with anybody, and it has a two-step verification, meaning that you have to have your email next to you. It automatically locks you after 20 minutes of inactivity, so if you don't use your personal vault for 20 minutes, then you will be signed out of it and nobody can access your files. Let's click on next. Okay, allow it. As said before, it's asking you for a code. As soon as you enter your code and you confirm it via email, you will get access to your personal vault. So you can place any sorts of documents in here. Let's say we can get a file in here and you can copy it. As you saw, now I can enter this personal vault. I can see these files here. The file is already being uploaded and it's available on the internet. The thing is that after 20 minutes of inactivity, this personal vault folder will close. So if somebody wants to access it, it will need to go again through the same process as before in order to get access to it. So you can also lock your personal vault manually in case you finished working with it. So you just click on lock personal vault. You will get the hint that this has been done. So now if you want to access it again, it's not going to be available. You need to use this and it will go through the same process of verifying your identity. So what do you do when you want to access your files from the internet? Well, simply open up a browser, then go to the website and then enter your account and your password. As soon as you have done that, you have access to your files. So you can see here all of the files, including your personal vault. So all you need to do is select the file you need, and then you have here your options. Either you download or you delete it. You can move it to folders and so on, as you would with any other files from your computer. Of course, you also have the options to upload the file or even an entire folder to your OneDrive account, or to create a new file. Using OneDrive from your mobile phone is also straightforward. Just go to the Google Play Store or on the App Store, download the OneDrive app, and then log into your account. And after dismissing several notifications, you should have access to all of your files that you have stored in OneDrive. Clicking on a file brings you up the same options that you have on your PC, so you can download the file, copy it, delete it from OneDrive. Hitting the plus button lets you create folders, upload files, even take a photo directly with your phone and save it to OneDrive, which is a very nice feature. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. I will try to create some additional videos on how to maybe increase your free storage space and also how to utilize the free tools from Microsoft. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Have fun!